Here we are in room 440 at the Heathman Hotel. This is the standard room. They've got, I guess, for housekeeping. There's the map, I guess, for exiting. You have a nice full-length mirror when you first walk in. A big tub for shower. And melon goats, something. That's the product that you get. You get a little vanity kit. Sorry about my shoes. It's wet outside. Got a hair dryer underneath, a mirror, yes, telephone, toileting zone. Here's all of the towels. You've got a closet with an extra pillow, blanket, safe, iron, and an ironing board. You get the waffle robes. That's my partner's jacket. So there's your waffle robes. And here's, I guess this is, I don't know if this is included or not, but you've got that. Drawers, a fridge, seems a little noisy, a little bench, got a king bed. Here's the heating. Oh, and this is one of those barn doors. I'm not a big fan of the barn doors when it comes to a bathroom. And we've got a clock, power right next to the bed, which is really nice. So you've got, looks like 2 USB-A's, the old standard ones. And you've got 2 power plugs. That's nice. And some reading lights. And on this side of the bed, you have the telephone and the same plugs. That's always nice to have power next to the bed. You've got a chair with an ottoman, television. How come it's crooked? Did you move it, honey? It's hanging up here crooked.
I didn't realize it.
So he always has to look at the back so we can plug in, so we can watch our own television stuff. So you've got more plugs, more USB plugs over here, lights, and here's the coffee setup that you've got in here. There's an espresso, and you get, looks like 4 pods here. I don't know if those are regular or decaf. You get an electric kettle, which is nice. And they even have little, and branding's on point. They've got little coasters. And then you also have a balcony out here. So it's been raining since we got here. Hopefully we won't be able to hear this noise outside but so this is the Heathman Hotel, and this is a standard room. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments? I always appreciate comments. Tell me how I can do things better if you like what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.